emergency alert system. This is only a test. As it's a natural emergency, the attention signal you just heard. Natural emergency, the attention signal you just heard. It is familiar with a mass notification system called Alert OC. You can subscribe your cell phone or email to these alerts by going to alertoc.com. Again, that's alertoc.com. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information and instructions. Orange County has also implemented a public mass notification